With this app you can make 3D objects by programming. If you are new to programming, you can start with the basic mode. Just drag and drop statements from the library to add, move or rotate objects. Just like a block box. You can make holes by subtracting objects from each other. Learn how to use repeat statements to make more complex objects and patterns. You can quickly change the object by changing the number of repetitions. Or group repeat statements. By inserting objects inside the repeat statement, the whole model is immediately updated. Use if-then-else statements to make objects more intelligent. For example, add another object if the repetition is even. The basic mode also has basic animation capabilities such as for moving or rotating objects. The advanced mode supports all 3D transformations, including scaling. For example, you can scale a cylinder to make it look flat. In addition to subtracting objects, you can also use the intersect operation. For example, create a dice by taking the volume that is inside the cube and the cylinder. Next to the basic shapes, you can also create 2D profiles that are extruded or rotated, and you can specify material properties such as color, shininess, and transparency. You can also create tube-like shapes to model cables and wires, or create walls to quickly model buildings. By using mathematical expressions and random numbers, you can create natural objects like plants and trees. You can make libraries of smart objects that have parameters, such as the height of a truss. These objects can then be used as parts in other objects. You can create a conference table set with a variable number of chairs. The table can be included multiple times, each with a different number of chairs. In addition to move and turn animations, you can also use keyframe animation to specify object position and orientation at a point in time. If you already know how to program in JavaScript, you can use the programmer mode. You can use variables and expressions to make smart objects and parts with parameters. These parts can be included in other objects defined in the advanced or programming mode. You can use the full functionality of modern JavaScript, such as arrow functions, maps, and filters. When your design is finished, you can share it with other users or create a file for 3D printing. You can also import your design in other software for 3D modeling and animations such as Blender.